Welcome to Asharfa English.
Hello.
Hi.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Oh, that's cool. I love Italian food.
Thanks. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
That's interesting.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great, just relaxing.
That sounds really nice.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I love this park.
It's calm and peaceful here.
Yes, I like the trees.
I also enjoy the breeze.
The weather is perfect.
Do you live close by?
Yes, just 2 streets down.
That's very convenient, right?
It really is. Saves time.
I walk here every morning.
I usually come at noon.
Morning is quiet and fresh.
Noon is sunny and bright.
Do you like to read?
Yes, books are my escape.
I enjoy reading too.
What books do you like?
I like stories and poems.
I love mystery books most.
Do you like watching movies?
I do. Comedy is fun.
Do you watch movies often?
Only on weekends mostly.
I like movies at night.
Me too, with popcorn.
Do you play any sports?
I like to play tennis.
Tennis is fun and fast.
Yes, it keeps me fit.
I play football with friends.
That's a cool team sport.
We meet every Friday night.
Sounds like a fun time.
Do you like drawing too?
Yes, I draw in my free time.
I like sketching trees.
I draw animals mostly.
That's really creative.
Thanks, I enjoy it lots.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I practice every day.
Do you study online too?
Yes, YouTube helps a lot.
Videos make it fun.
Yes, and they're free too.
I watch one every night.
I like to watch many.
Do you keep a notebook?
Yes, I write new words.
I write words and phrases.
That's a good idea.
Where do you shop usually?
I shop at the mall. And you?
I shop online mostly now.
That's easy. I do too.
Do you like ice cream?
I love chocolate. What about you?
I like mango flavor.
Yummy. Let's eat sometime.
Sure, I'd like that.
What's your favorite color?
I like green. And you?
I love the color orange.
Orange suits you a lot.
Thanks, green suits you too.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I love rainy days.
I enjoy them with tea.
Same here. And some snacks.
What snacks do you like?
I like chips. And you?
I love cookies and cake.
Yum! Let's bake next time.
That sounds like great fun.
Do you like long walks?
Yes, I walk every night.
That's healthy. I walk too.
Do you have close friends?
Yes, I have 4 besties.
I have 3 good friends.
What do you all do?
We play and laugh a lot.
Same here. Friends are joy.
Do you like cartoons still?
Yes, I never stopped. You?
I still watch Tom and Jerry.
Me too. It's so funny.
Do you travel on holidays?
Yes, with my parents. And you?
We visit Grandma every year.
That's sweet. I love grandmas.
Do you like train rides?
Yes, so calm and fun.
I like window seats best.
Me too. Great views always.
Do you ever ride bikes?
Yes, I ride with Dad.
I ride with my cousin.
Cool. Is he your age?
He's 2 years older now.
That's close. You talk lots.
Yes, we talk every day.
Do you share your secrets?
Yes, not all of them.
I do the same.
What's your biggest dream?
I want to be a doctor.
That's great. I want tech.
Like making apps cool?
Yes, or build video games.
That sounds fun and smart.
What do you fear most?
I fear the dark. You?
I fear big dogs sometimes.
Me too. They bark loud.
Do you believe in ghosts?
A little. You don't?
Nope, I never believed it.
I get scared at night.
Just use a night lamp.
Good idea. I'll try.
What's your favorite season?
I love winter. You?
I love spring the most.
Flowers bloom. It's beautiful.
Do you sleep early, daily?
I try to. And you?
I sleep by 10 always.
It's good. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, especially spicy noodles.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love mango ice cream. What's yours?
I really like brownies.
Do you like funny jokes?
Yes, I laugh so hard.
I know many funny jokes.
Save them for next time.
Do you write a diary?
Yes, every night. You?
Sometimes, when I feel deep.
That's honest. I like that.
Do you like painting too?
I love colors. And you?
I enjoy painting sunsets.
That's pretty. Show me soon.
I'll bring them tomorrow.
I'll bring mine too.
Do you like group work?
Yes, teamwork is always fun.
I like it sometimes. Only.
Why you like working alone?
No, just when it's quiet.
Makes sense. Quiet is good.
Do you play any games?
I play board games. You?
I play chess and Ludo.
Wow, I like chess too.
We should play one day.
Yes, let's do that soon.
Do you like rainy songs?
Yes, they feel so cozy.
I listen to soft music.
Me too. It's relaxing.
Ever been on a plane?
Yes, just once. You?
I've flown 3 times now.
That's cool. Was it fun?
Yes, I loved the view.
I want to fly again.
What's your happy place?
My bedroom is my happy place.
I feel best near nature.
Trees and sky calm me too.
This was a great talk.
Yes, I enjoyed it much.
Bye. Take care always.
Bye. See you soon.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.